Greetings and welcome to the introduction to astronomy. One of the things that I like to do in each of my introductory astronomy classes is to begin the class with the astronomy picture of the day from the NASA website, that is apod.nasa.gov/apod. And today's picture for August 16th of 2022. Well, it is titled "A Meteor Wind over Tunisia." So what do we see here? Well, this image taken in the ancient Berber village in Tunisia. We see parts of that in the foreground, and then looking up above, we see a number of different things within our sky. And that includes the band of the Milky Way stretching almost straight up here from the middle of the image. That is our spiral galaxy as we see it from within. And we can see some of the dark dust clouds and some of the red emission nebulae that make up our galaxy, that make up the plane of our galaxy. However, just about everything that we see here in this image is part of our galaxy, even the other stars. This is just the concentration of the disk. However, there is one object here which is not within our galaxy, and that's towards the upper right hand side. And that is the Andromeda galaxy, labeled up in the upper right hand side. And that is a distant galaxy outside of our own Milky Way, about 2.5 million light years away from us. So we actually have two galaxies pictured here, the Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy. Now we also see a bunch of streaks going across the image, and those are examples of meteors. Now this is a part of the Southern Delta Aquariid's meteor shower, and the showers are named by the constellations and areas in the sky from which they appear to radiate. And we can see that radiant point off to the to the right hand side here. It'll say meteor shower radiation means meteor shower radiant. And that is the radiant where all of these are seeming to radiate from. And if you trace them out, they seem to form sort of a pattern there. And you can imagine that these, if you connected them with lines, would actually converge to a point off in the distance. Now this is an example of one meteor shower. We just had another one, and that was the Perseid meteor shower, which was not the most amazing sight this year because we were also dealing with a full moon. When you have a full moon, that brightens the sky a little bit and makes it difficult to be able to see the fainter meteors. So while some of the brighter meteors here would still have been visible, were this the Perseids, a lot of the fainter ones would have been hidden from view just because the sky would have been overly bright because of the full moon. And since the full moon is up from sunset until sunrise, that means the entire night sky is overly brightened. So it made it a little more difficult this year to be able to see the Perseids. But here we do have a nice image of a meteor wind that we see. And we get that debris as it's coming out here, taken over Tunisia. So that was our picture of the day for August 16th of 2022. It was titled "A Meteor Wind over Tunisia." We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Stargate Milky Way. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.